Good evening, everybody. It is Bob at 2 Pumps of Breaks on Friday. It is June the 23rd. We are breaking Hits Parade All-American coins. It is a one-box personal for Patty McPat. Let him pick between our two boxes. He picked number 10. Alright, good luck, Pat, man. We haven't had much luck in these as of late there, man, so I'm hoping we finally get something out of these for you, man. Seals. Alright, bud. Let's see what we're gonna get for you. Well, maybe a little something better, bud. I have no clue, but it'll be a 1966 50-cent piece, bud. So, Pat, I have no idea on the value or anything. MS-64. Well, Pat, again, I have no clue on that, bud, but that is gonna wrap up that one, guys. Breakers.tv. I already know you're hit, bud. Just gotta get that damn camera to refocus for me. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, folks. Bobby 2 Pops of Breaks. You all have a wonderful night.